guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a get ready with me video because I'm doing my hair and my makeup and I'm headed to a photo shoot meetup in Tampa. So I'm really excited for that and I thought I would kind of just film myself getting ready and we can chat a bit. I worked out this morning and I showered. I just made myself a second cup of coffee. So if I'm doing like model makeup, I usually start with my eyes so that I can wipe away the excess fallout before I do my foundation. I know I always go to my Jaclyn Hill palette, but I'm definitely about to just use my Jaclyn Hill palette and maybe I'll throw in some colors from some other palettes, but for right now, it's Jaclyn. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer and just put that on my eyelids. Basically what a photo meetup is there will be a host that decides that they want to have this meetup and they'll pick a time and a location. So then you all just go and you shoot together and you collaborate, and it's just a really fun way to network with other creative people that like to do what you like to do, and you can meet a bunch of new people that maybe you're friends with on Instagram that you haven't actually met in person. But this meetup is hosted by Benjamin. He's BSZ Photo on Instagram. I really hope I get to shoot with him today because he is just so talented.
Hello, hello. Yeah, we're getting a lot of good traffic today. The homeless headquarters right here.
This is like the coolest thing that happened to them all day.
Really?
Like,
so this is, it's A Bannick is
A Bannick. A_Bannick.
Yes, very cool. She came all the way from Ohio, but not just for this.
No, I came for this.
She came just for this. And we're just gonna go shoot in front of some green stuff and red stuff. Hey guys. Hey. Here.
So I forgot to say what I'm doing. I'm just taking a transition shade and a blending brush and I'm putting that through my crease. This is just the basic starter for any eye look that I do. Now I'm just taking a slightly smaller brush and a slightly darker color, and I'm just gonna keep layering. So my agency back in Ohio, Heyman, they've been sending me auditions to go to like maybe once a week or so, and obviously they're in Ohio, they're not here, so I can't go to any of them, and I'm kind of just like, I'll look at it really quick and then I'll just delete it because it makes me sad. But I'm super blessed to be here and I absolutely love this job. I love being in an architecture firm. This just really showed me that this is what I meant to do, and I'm just really happy with my decision coming here, coming to this firm specifically, and I'm just really happy with my career choice in general. It just makes me really happy. I love being creative every day and working on different projects. It's just so fun. It's always different, which is just what I really love. Okay, so that looks really crazy right now. We're just gonna blend that all out though. Yeah, that looks about right. We're getting there. Oh, another fun thing that's happening. My grandma and my mom are coming to visit me on the 20th, so I'm so excited for them to come. Me and my grandma are really close and I miss her very much. And then I'm very excited to see my mom too, as always. She actually just visited me last weekend and we went to the Tampa Aquarium, which was so cool. I just love aquariums, and that one specifically was the best one I've ever been to. Oh, I know what I want. So we're gonna take the Too Faced Natural Eye Palette, and wow, do they even sell this anymore? This is like a gazillion years old. Seriously, I think I got this when I was in middle school. But this honey pot color right here is, this honey pot color is what I'm about to put on my lid just using my finger. It is so pigmented. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I do miss my friends back home very much. They are gonna visit me for spring break though, which I'm super excited. So Malik's gonna come 1 week in March, and he's gonna stay with me for Wednesday to Sunday. And then my one roommate and then our friend is coming the next week. So then I'm gonna have visitors for like 2 weeks straight, which is gonna be so much fun. So me and Malik have some fun plans. We are gonna go on a dolphin cruise, and there's also this restaurant downtown Sarasota. It's a restaurant right on the beach. What am I saying? It's not on the beach. It's like, it's in sand and then it's right by the water. It's hard to explain. There's rocks in between. Anyways, it's gonna be really, really cute little date. I am going to go back into that palette and take the white bone color. Okay, so I think I'm cool with the shadow, and I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm actually going to prime with the Benefit Professional Face Primer. I used to use this like back in the day, back in high school, and then I ran out and I didn't want to buy another one because it is kind of expensive. But I bought another one at Ulta, and a pack of a bunch of different Benefit products that I really love. I just love this primer. It's actually the best. It's definitely worth the money. So I'm going in with the Matte and Poreless Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm gonna do it the lazy way, and I just put it on my beauty blender, and now I'm dotting it on my face. After living here for it's been a month and a week, I've decided that I would definitely live here for good after college. I really love it here. I'm going to take the Coty Airspun powder. We're just going, creasing is not okay. All right, we're just going to go ahead and bake. So I don't like to bake under here too long. I kind of just leave that line very lightly. And I'm going to take what's left on my brush and I'm just going to put it all over. I'm so excited for this meetup. I haven't modeled in 2 weeks and I'm like going through withdrawals. No, I'm kidding. It's like a comforting thing. Like when I was moving down here, I was really nervous because I was moving here by myself, but the fact that I already knew this meetup was going to be happening, it just like made me feel better. I'm thinking about making a video about like my whole modeling journey from like when I started my junior year to now my sophomore year of college. Uh-oh, there's sirens. Oh, this is the Hoola Benefit bronzer. It is my favorite bronzer. Go like that. So I'm gonna go on with the Brow Power, and I'm guessing this is like Universal Taupe. Cool, cool. Oh, this mascara is Perversion by Urban Decay, and I really love it. So now that I absolutely got mascara all over my face, I'm gonna wait for that to dry before I try and clean it up. So I'm gonna go in with my Shade and Light Kat Von D contour palette, and I'm gonna take the lightest contour shade mixed with the medium contour shade, And we're going to start putting that right under the cheekbone. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of shadow to my lower lash line. And I'm gonna take my Hoola Benefit bronzer just because it's right on hand. Now I'm going to take the Rimmel liner. It's a nude liner, and we're going to put that on the inner rims of our eyes to brighten them. And then I'm going to take a brown. This is also a Rimmel brown. And I'm putting that on my upper lash line. And now I think I'm going to stick a couple individual fake lashes on the outside of my eyes. I don't like full lashes, full lash bands, because I always get nervous that like half of it's gonna come off, like the inner corner part, because that's happened to me before at photo shoots, and it's just like super irritating. And then if I get a picture back and I see the band of my eyelash, my fake eyelash, I just Something I really do miss though is Zulily. I miss everyone at Zulily, and I miss shooting there, and it'll be a while before I'm back, but I will be back in the summer. But I'm actually in school this summer. I will never have another break again, which is like really sad. That just when you realize that you're an adult now. Okay, so I'm really liking my lashes, and while those are drying, we're gonna go into blush. I'm going to take the NARS Orgasm blush because this is just a classic, and on a big fluffy brush. Give me some color. And I need a highlight. I think we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit. I think Moonstone. It's kind of like a pinkish shimmery shade, but it's very pretty. Okay, I'm going with Champagne Splits for my inner corner. I'm just going to put on a little bit of Sun Bum lip balm on my lips. Whoa! A chunk came out. This is Banana. And I love this stuff. It's almost like Vaseline. Whoa. I wonder if you saw that. So now I'm going to set that all with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And my hair is still a little bit dry, so I'm going to blow dry it a little bit before I can do my hair. Then I have a heat tamer spray from Tresemme that I love. So we're going to spray that through our hair to protect it. Beautiful. Okay. So what's the final decision? What do we do? Straight or curly? Alright, we're gonna straighten it. That's the decision. So now I'm just going to straighten my hair. Oh, and my straightener is from New Me, by the way. I'm going to change into the dress I'm gonna wear, and then I also need to pick out another outfit, so I'll be right back. This is the dress that I'm wearing. It's from Princess Polly, and it's gonna be really fun to shoot in because, as you can see, it has a lot of flow, and they are just these little polka dots, and then there's a little tie, and then this neckline's really cool, and it's just a normal back. And I'm taking a couple more outfits. So this is another tie shirt from Princess Polly. another shirt from Princess Polly, and another shirt from Princess Polly. Whoops, kind of obsessed with Princess Polly. And then I'm going to take some regular jean shorts and also a white skirt. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me and watching me do my makeup and hair. So I'm about to head up to Tampa for this shoot. I'll definitely insert some clips and pictures right here. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I think that's about it. Bye guys.